Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on the DXY, pound USD and gold. I'm quickly starting off with let's start off here with the pound USD. I want to start from the daily time frame here. On the daily time frame here, what we can see is this past couple of weeks we saw price push all the way from 1.30 region all the way to 1.25 psychological level, and it is normal to anticipate a pullback or a rejection from a psychological level as one as 1.25. okay, now seeing last week that we saw a hesitance here, more like price was accumulating here. If we slide down to the 4 hours time frame, we can see how price accumulated, and then towards Wednesday we saw this bullish candle, meaning like a beginning of a bullish move, and on Friday we saw price break out of 1.2670 region. Okay, now what I'm anticipating is quite simple, at least for a retest of price back to 1.2830 or 1.2840 region, if not up to 1.30 though. Okay, so using a Fibonacci retracement tool, if we pull this move from 1.30 up until 1.25, we could anticipate price to retest 1.2727, which is not where I'm looking out for. I'm seeing price coming back to at least 1.2830, 1.2840. So be that as it may, so I'm anticipating price to do this, which is more like a continuation to this region. But slide onto the 4 hours time frame. Let me see here. Okay, so maybe any pullback to continue to this region. All right, also I might want to note that this might be some kind of level as well. So if price breaks up to this point at market open, then we might just look for that retest and a continuation to these regions. Okay, I'm not looking for sell opportunities until we've seen price come to this region here of 1.2845 or 1.2850. Then we might look for opportunities to sell down here. Okay, more like maybe a little retracement from that region here. Okay, all right, that being said, price might actually break up into these regions and come retest 1.2900 possibly. All right, that's that for pound USD. And gold, starting on the daily time frame here, we've seen how price came all the way to these regions of 2500. I'll call it the psychological level as well. I'm looking at gold maybe continuing very bearish move. If we look at what happened last week, we've seen price like come back to retest this region, a strong bearish movement. This might be a little pullback again. So what I'm anticipating is quite simple. Let's see if price maybe is forming this kind of what should I call it, more like a retracement pattern. So I might be looking at to sell gold if price breaks back below 26.10. I'm seeing price coming back to 25.50, 2500 regions. Okay, the only reason why I'll be looking to buy gold is if price comes back all the way to 2700. Then I'll be looking for buy opportunities here to buy up to 27.50 and possibly upwards. All right, that's that for gold. And lastly, DXY for confirmation. Over here on the daily time frame, we could see how price have come to retest these regions of 107, call it 108, a shy tip into 108, and then we saw price dump. My anticipation is that price will continue, maybe with this move here with the Fibonacci retracement tool. We could see maybe price might as well come back into these regions here of 78.60, which is 104 regions. So if that's the case, then it would be a good confluence for pound USD going to the upside. So if I slide to the 4 hours time frame, I would just be looking out for price to continue to the downside. Price to continue to the downside from these regions here. Okay, all right, or maybe at market open just a little bit of like a pullback one more time, and then we can actually see price move to the downside as well. Okay, I'm very much bearish for the DXY, and since it's bearish, I'll be looking out for buy opportunities here on pound USD. I'm also looking out for sell opportunities here on gold. Okay, that's that for the week. I hope you back some peeps. I'll see you guys for weekly recap, and do enjoy the rest of your weekends. Ciao.